Insomniacs, are you frustrated with your sleep? As in you're not getting enough sleep, or you're not getting enough quality of sleep, you just feel crappy even though you're sleeping. Maybe you've tried the medication, you tried the supplements, and they worked initially, but now you're taking more supplements, more pills, and your sleep is getting worse. Here's the reason why. It's because those therapy is what I call replacement therapy. They replace a function in your body. So for example, melatonin. A lot of people take melatonin to help sleep. Melatonin is a hormone our body naturally produces from our pineal gland. Now, when you take more and more of that supplement, it doesn't help your pineal gland restore its function. It actually makes it worse. So your organ function actually gets worse the more melatonin you take as a supplement, right? That's what replacement therapy is. Now, there is hope. There is something called restorative therapy. And that's what my partner and I, Chris McKee, a nutritionist, we built these programs to provide restorative therapy, which means we help your pineal gland produce melatonin better by itself. That's restorative, restore function, right? So we have this 7-day sleep reset program that will help you lay the foundation. I'll put the link in the comments.